I'm Kapil Wadhwa and we are from Dimension Next. We are manufacturing IT and mobile accessories, which include all types of cables, charging cable, mobile data cables from 2 core to up to 8 cores, which are all types of cables like braided cable, PVC, fishnet, TPE, and all types of cables. And then we have a lot of cables like 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 4-in-1. Or in computer cables, we have StarTech, Mantra, Morpho, USB to printer cable, patch cords, and many more cables which can work for computers and mobile phones. The manufacturing in India is growing like crazy. There are lots and lots of opportunities in manufacturing. Everything is coming to Make in India, as our government is also focusing on Make in India. Even the GEM portal, people are not allowed to sell imported products which are not made in India. So the focus on government on the Make in India is immense. We are manufacturing all IT and mobile accessories like cables, chargers, earphone, neckbands, smartwatch, power bank, all products which are into mobile and IT accessories. There is always a demand for the quality, and we always position ourselves as quality manufacturers. We are not only price manufacturers. As you see in the pictures, we are having a very clean manufacturing unit, and it has got all types of facilities, right from starting from the basic manufacturing to the right up to the finished product. Everything is in-house. We don't need outsourcing for any of the products. The basic thing, which is the most important thing, is the quality. Of course, you have to give the quality at a very competitive price, because otherwise the things will go to imported products, because their prices of China prices are very low and competitive. So, but if you see a good quality at a competitive price, that is where we focus on, and that is what the things are working on. See, brands will keep on exploring. They will always keep on working on new vendors, then they try and they come back. So that's not an issue. People will always explore other factories, other things, other options, and then they will come back. Once they know what product is which quality, they will understand. But now everything is settling down because people understand the quality. This quality is this factory and this quality is this factory. This is the USP of this vendor and this is the USP of the other vendor. The biggest change which I see is before the manufacturing was too tough, and slowly things of manufacturing are easing down. So I will always call it ease of doing business. So that is taking its own shape. The regional brands are growing better than the other brands because they have their own market in their own territory. They only have to focus and market in a smaller territory, which makes them more competitive and more advantages in their own brand area. The customers are known to them personally, and it works very well for them. For manufacturing, it becomes a little tricky for the brands, for the smaller vendors who are there doing their own brands, because their MOQs and their numbers are little tough, but they are able to manage it by ordering the goods for about 1 to 2 months more extra. The new products are the new models A lot of products are coming in new models, and we were not doing products like HDMI cables, and we were not doing like power cables. Now we have added those products in this 2025 only. The cable and charger are the only products which are actually manufactured in India. Other things are getting assembled in India currently. So it is very tough for the other things to come to the manufacturing level. So more focus is on the manufacturing. Of course, we are assembling it for last 2+ decades. So assembling is also a part of the things. But manufacturing is what is focus on. Yeah, I would request all the new manufacturers to give quality so that our country gets a good name for the quality of the product which is being made, not using a inferior quality which gives a bad name to our country.
For more information visit www.mobilityindia.com.